Hi, today we will learn how to install augmented reality plugin by Atlas AI Dev from your mobile phone. So, suppose you want to install augmented reality plugin, then right here AR VR 3D model try on Google Chrome. First link here you can see it is augmented reality and 3D model viewer. Click on it and you will see that our plugin is augmented reality and 3D model viewer for Wordpress and WooCommerce. So I want to preview the live preview. So click on live preview button and it will take few seconds. I'm waiting for that. It's already done. First of all, the basic setup is done here. You don't have to do any setup, but you have to do one thing. To work properly, you have to save after installing the plugin from your mobile phone or from your desktop or from your site. Then you have to save the settings, and it is saved now. Here then I want to view the preview of the plugin. So here is a button, you can see preview demo. You will click on here and it will show up the preview, and here you can see view in 3D and it will be there. So I have set up in the pre version demo model, which is a sofa model, GLB file. It is a GLB file. You can see here from your mobile phone like this. And if your mobile phone supports augmented reality, then you will be you will see a button in the right bottom corner, and right now I will click on here and then I can view this model with my environment. And see, and this is how it will look like in my floor. So thank you so much. I hope you understand how this plugin works from your mobile phone. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Bye bye. See you in the next video.